How to create new documents in Photoshop. When we create a new Photoshop document, we create what is essentially a blank canvas. Then once we've created the canvas, we can import images, graphics into it. New documents are perfect for design layouts, whether for print or for the web. You simply create a new blank document at the size you need and then begin adding and arranging your various elements. New documents are also great for digital painting with Photoshop's brushes, and for creating composites from multiple images. Basically, anytime you want to start with a blank canvas or blank document, and then add your content as you go, you'll want to create a new Photoshop document. And we'll be learning how to create new documents in this tutorial. When to open an existing image in Photoshop. But if you're a photographer, then instead of creating a new document, you'll most likely want to start by opening an existing image into Photoshop. Opening images is different from creating new documents, since the image itself determines the document's size. How to create a new Photoshop document. To create a new document, we use the New Document dialog box, and there are a few ways to get to it. Creating a new document from the home screen. One way is from Photoshop's home screen. By default, when you launch Photoshop CC without opening an image, or if you close your document when no other documents are open, you're taken to the home screen. The content on the home screen changes from time to time. And if you've worked on previous images or documents, you'll see them displayed as thumbnails that you can click on to quickly reopen them. To create a new document from the home screen, click the Create New button in the column along the left. Creating a new document from the menu bar. Another way to create a new Photoshop document is by going up to the File menu in the menu bar and choosing New. Or you can press the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+N. Choosing a recently used document size. Along the top of the dialog box is a row of categories. We have Recent and Saved, plus Photo, Print, Art and Illustration, Web, Mobile, and Film and Video. By default, the Recent category is selected, and it gives you quick access to any recently used document sizes. To choose one, click on its thumbnail to select it and then click the Create button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Choosing a new document preset. Along with choosing from recently used document sizes, we can also choose from preset sizes. First, select the type of document you want to create by choosing one of the categories, Photo, Print, Web, and so on, along the top. I'll choose Photo. The presets will appear below as thumbnails. Then use the scroll bar along the right to scroll through the presets. If you see one that suits your needs, click on its thumbnail. I'll choose Landscape, 8x10. The Preset Details panel. Appear in the Preset Details panel along the right of the dialog box. This preset will create a document with a width of 10 inches and a height of 8 inches. It also sets the resolution to 300 pixels inch, which is the standard resolution for print. Click the Create button in the bottom right of the dialog box. This closes the New Document dialog box, and opens your new document in Photoshop. How to verify the document size. You can verify the document size using Photoshop's image size dialog box. go up to the image menu and choose image size. This opens the image size dialog box where we see that the width of the document is in fact 10 inches, the height is 8 inches, and the resolution is set to 300 pixels inch. I'll close out of the image size dialog box by clicking the cancel button. Closing the document. To close a single image, go up to the file menu in the menu bar and choose close. Creating new documents from custom settings. While selecting a preset can sometimes be useful, the most common way to create a new Photoshop document is by entering your own custom settings into the preset details panel. Swapping the orientation. To change the orientation of the document, click either the portrait or landscape buttons. This swaps the width and height values as needed. Setting the print resolution. You can also enter a custom resolution value for the document into the resolution field. But keep in mind that resolution applies only to print. It has no effect on images being viewed online or on any type of screen. For print, the industry standard resolution is 300 pixels per inch. Setting the background color of the document. The default background color for a new Photoshop document is white, but you can choose a different color from the background contents option. At first, it will look like you can only choose white, black, or the current background color.